What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike Sieben and welcome to the channel where we talk about everything Amazon FBA. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the tools that you need in order to succeed with selling on Amazon. If you are not looking to start an Amazon business that you can grow into 6 or even 7 figures, then just click off of this video because it's not going to be for you. If you are, however, interested in how you can start an Amazon business and do the aforementioned, then let's get into the video. Alright, so as I mentioned in today's video, we're going to break down all of the different tools and things that you need to be thinking about in order to grow a multiple 6-figure or even 7-figure Amazon business. If you guys like my content, do not forget to smash that like button, as well as make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you can follow along on the journey and get notified each and every single time that I put out a new video. So because I know that most of you guys will not watch this video all of the way through, I'm going to throw a little bit of a shameless plug. I recently launched my very own Amazon FBA Wholesale course. It's called Elite Wholesale, and inside of there we already have some students, and these students are learning how to start their very own Amazon business. We have included in there a full video course where I take you from A to Z on how to start an online business. There's special discounts on software and downloadable material in terms of scripts and templates. I do ongoing live trainings with people, so you will get to talk to me live, face-to-face via Zoom calls, as well as there is a vibrant community, like I mentioned, with sellers that are already in here and already working on growing their businesses. I'm going to keep this super short, but if you guys are interested, please see the link down below to go check out more. Alright, so now talking about all of the tools that you need in order to build a successful Amazon business. The very first thing is you're going to need to choose your business model. So there are many different ways that you can sell on Amazon. You can do private label, you can do online arbitrage, you can do retail arbitrage, or you can do wholesale. So each of those 4 methods I have other videos on, and I will link you to some of those videos up here if you are interested in diving into the different methods. But for today's purpose, we're going to stick with wholesale and talking about the different tools and components that you need for wholesale, because that's what I do and what I know best about. So the second thing that you're going to need is products and suppliers in which you can buy those products from. Again, I have multiple videos on how to find products, how to find suppliers, but these 2 things are absolutely essential. Obviously, the business of selling on Amazon is selling products, so you're going to need to figure out how and where to get these items. The next thing that you're going to need to worry about is prep. So that is number 3. You're going to have to prep these items in some way. So all that means is you're going to purchase them and you're going to get ready the items to sell them to Amazon's customers or your customers when you're listing them on the platform. It isn't a hard step. It's definitely something that you can do on your own if you're just getting started. If you want to sell in a totally different market or different country, there are established prep centers that can do this for a small nominal fee on your behalf. So whether you're doing it yourself or getting someone else to do it, make sure that you have your preparation all figured out. The next thing is going to be logistics. Oftentimes, logistics becomes a much simpler process with the Amazon wholesale model because we are working with local distributors and brands that can send our products either to us or to our prep centers, and then we can actually use Amazon's platform to purchase shipping, put those labels on, make sure it's all paid for and taken care of, and sent into Amazon warehouses where they will send it out to your customers for you. The next thing would be customer service. So it's extremely important to make sure that your customers are taken care of, make sure that they receive their products in the condition that they expected, and that they are 100% happy with the purchase. Any issues do come up because things do happen. Products get damaged in shipping, products just don't arrive at the end of the day. There can be a number of different problems that come up. You need to make sure that you're ready to deal with that. The beautiful part, again, about doing Amazon wholesale FBA is that we send our products into Amazon's warehouses and then they take care of all of the customer service on our behalf. So if a product is shipped out and it's damaged, for example, example, the customer can just return the product and Amazon deals with 100% of all of that customer service. So using FBA actually eliminates the need for customer service, which again, why is another fantastic model. And then believe it or not, the fifth thing you need to do is just rinse and repeat. It's literally as simple as that. Once you find products, you figure out how to prep and label those products, you send them into Amazon, and through your logistics chain, you get those products to your customers. And then if you are using Amazon FBA, it takes care of the customer service aspect. And then you just do it all over again as the products sell. As you find profit from your sales, you reinvest those into new inventory. It is literally rinse and repeat, and then you just move on your way. Again, if you guys are struggling with any of these things or you don't understand any of these concepts, feel free to let me know down in the comment section. I make sure to reply to each and every comment that I get. If you guys feel that you want to be a part of a bigger group, a bigger community of vibrant sellers, you want me to take you through A to Z, every single step that you need in order to sell on the wholesale business, hit the link below, go to Elite Wholesale and check us out. I would much appreciate you guys joining the community. Other than that, guys, I would just appreciate if you would smash that like button, make sure that you are subscribed so you can check out all my future free videos. And then other than that, I hope that you're having a good day and peace.